Hello everyone, I will show you how to modify Shekal blog through Webflow CMS. So I will do step by step and also do a side-by-side comparison. Okay, so as of now we are on shekalwebflow.io. This is a link where we use it for our test, for playtest. Of course, when you're trying to do edit on your blog, you would want to be on shekal.com. Okay, now since shekalwebflow.io acts as a shekal.com as well, I'm just going to use the shekalwebflow.io as an example. Okay, so now I will do a side-by-side comparison and I will show you how to log in onto your CMS Webflow access. As you can see, I have one on the right is shekalwebflow.io and one on the left, shekal.webflow.io as well, but we will want to use /?edit. So /edit. You press enter. It will pop up a login screen where you would want to put your login, and as of now I will put my login. Okay, now I am in. We would want to go, so to know whether you are inside your Webflow edit page is when you hover over an icon or a text, you can actually see there's a logo on the right hand side. Settings, these icons means that you can edit them as you want. Okay, and as you can see on the right hand side, when I hover over the text field, you cannot see any icons on the top right. Okay, for the blog, let's go back to the blog. For editing the blog, we want to go to collections and then we go to blog post. Let me actually make this full screen so you can see. We go to blog post, click on it. So we have already a collection of blogs that we already have created for you. Now you can also edit as much as you want. You can type test and then save the blog post that way, and then once you save the blog post that way, it says on the top right that it's unpublished change. You can publish it if you are ready with the changes that you want to change. Now I want to show you how to create a new article. So we go to new blog post and we can put our title. Let's just say Shekal article test, and then I already put some dummy text for your article, and then I will put on the summary as summary of Shekal article. Now for the main image, I would like to use two of your image from your website. So one is for the main image and one is for the thumbnail. I will show you also side-by-side comparison on what each of these text fields and image goes to when we decide to publish. Okay, but I just want you to follow along with me as of now to see how we fill this out. So you can choose whether you want to be featured, yes or no, and or you want to hide your article. Now in this related articles is very interesting because you can actually choose the articles that you want to relate your new article with. So let's just say that this article is related to business credit score. So we just choose this one, and as well as related to how business credit score works, right? You can put as much as related article as you want, given that the articles already been published before. And then over here on the text field it says author. You can put your name, Shekal author, the author name of the article. You can put it in that text field. Okay, now what you want to do is, after that, you want to create blog post, and then we can see over here there is a new blog, new article, sorry, that says Shekal article test. Now it says also not published. So when at this stage, even if you already create the blog, it will not show until you actually hit the top right over here. It says published. Publish the 2 changes. You say yes. It's just saying that there's a history log of what changes that you made. So for now I'll just click publish 2 changes. Okay, now I will show you on the shekalwebflow.io. Well, let's go to Shekal blog over here, and then we can see that there's already a new article that says Shekal article test. Sorry. Now remember where the field where we put the picture, the main picture, and the summary. Now I want to show you the side-by-side comparison on how it looks like. So Shekal, the name, when you go to the blog and the text field, sorry, the Shekal article test will go, of course, as a title, and post body will not show on a first glance. The one that shows actually the summary of your Shekal article over here, and then if people will click the read more, then they can see that there's the body of the article over here. Now the main image, as you can see, the main image is the one that appears after the user click the read more, and the thumbnail image is the ones that will show as a preview, as of this, and then it will show also the Shekal author on the bottom. I'm sorry, not on the bottom, it's actually up top over here. And that is it. And just in case you would want to, let's just say this is a mistake blog, we can always delete the blog, or as usual, if you just want to change, you press save blog post. And for now I would just want to delete this blog post because there's a test anyways. I will go delete, yes, and then I'll do publish, just so there will not be a test article on our playtest page. Okay, so as soon as that's published, we can go to the Shekal again, and we can refresh this part, and now we can see that the test blog is gone. Sorry, here we go. Now you can see as I refresh, there was no test blog anymore. Okay, so and also one more thing that you would want to do after you're done, make sure you log out. So because usually a browser would have a login cookie that will remember your login. So if somebody else uses your browser, they could be using the edit page and they will accidentally edit something. So make sure you do log out, and yes, log me out, and then that is it. You'll back to your Shekal main page that is normal. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you enjoy this short tutorial. Please give us a email if you have any questions, and look forward to talk to you soon. Goodbye and take care. Bye bye.